Hey guys, Alex Rodriguez here with Software Retrofit Pros. We're in North Orange County with our big work truck, our mobile office. I want to walk you through this bolt town. We're in the city of Anaheim, real nice family that we're doing this bolt town for. It's a single family residence. It's on a raised foundation. We have all our components in the back, so I want to share it with you and walk you through the process. By the way, if you're in Orange County and you're thinking about getting your house bolted down, please give our offices a call. I'd love to talk to you about it. So if you're thinking about doing a house bolt down, you're going to need some of these. These are URFP plates from Simpson. This is what we use to bolt down the mud sill to the concrete. So this is your mud sill. It gets bolted down just like that in this part. That goes into concrete, and that goes on your mud sill. So every assembly, every job is a little bit different. This house happens to not have any floor joists. The way that the subfloor is framed here, it's basically 2x4s that are tongue and groove butted together. There's another problem. The problem is that the mud sill sits in really deep, so we can't install these A35s right on the mud sill. We would normally install it like this on the mud sill. Hey folks, so what you're looking at now is the site plan. This is the property line. It's kind of like a big old rectangle, and it shows the house in relation to the property line. And these little notations are for the details that will show how we're going to attach the house to the foundation. So this is a very common thing that we do. We have to create a site plan for you, and it has to have the job scope on there. So this is a bolt down, existing single family dwelling in beautiful Anaheim. Whoa! Last but not least, you need some heavy metal. This is a CS16 strap, and we're going to put this all around the house. It's really heavy duty. You have to understand that all of these connectors will work as a system. The goal is to keep the foundation and the house attached together. That is the name of the game. That's our goal here. We're going to create some redundant connections. When we're dealing with earthquakes, we're always hoping that we did enough. So we're very conservative in our approach, and we want to create a lot of redundancies in the systems that we use. If you're considering doing a house bolt down and you want to learn more, we can definitely do a free assessment for you. Remember, you're going to need a FEMA trained general contractor to do the work for you. You can also do it yourself, but I don't recommend it. So give our offices a call or visit our website, softwareretrofitpros.com. My name is Alex Rodriguez, and I'd love to help you out. Remember, you don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros.